Hi friends, welcome to Beauty Over 50. Today I am excited about trying out a lip combination that I specifically picked out, hoping that it would be a really versatile duo that I could use throughout the fall season. So the lip pencil that I chose was this one here by MAC. This is called Oak, and it's described as a warm beigey brown color that I think will pair wonderfully with the lipstick I chose. This lipstick here is a mini, but I have actually purchased the full-sized shade here many times. This is called Velvet Teddy. It's been around for a very long time. It is a warm brown matte color that I thought would pair really well with the oak. So let's give it a try. I like the combination and I think it's perfect for fall. It blends nicely with this orange blouse I'm wearing. I think it's going to go well with a lot of my other autumn outfits. I wear a lot of browns, golds, coppers, oranges. So this is a perfect combination to be paired with those outfits. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Take care. Bye.